Have you ever heard the phrase, eat a rainbow? No, I'm not talking about chasing a rainbow in the sky, though that would be cool, right? But I am talking about the amazing colors in our food. Each color represents different nutrients that work wonders for our bodies, helping us stay strong and healthy. It's like eating a rainbow every time we dig into our meals. Isn't that awesome? So today, let's dive into the magical world of colorful foods and how they keep our immune system, heart, eyes, and more in tip-top shape. For example, red foods, think juicy tomatoes, sweet strawberries, and tart cherries, are not only bursting with flavor, but also supercharged with heart-healthy benefits. Tell me, do you have a favorite red food? Is it a crunchy apple, or maybe a handful of strawberries you can't resist? Drop your favorites in the comments below. I'd love to know. And guess what? Chef Mike is up next, ready to take us on a fun, flavorful journey into the world of red foods. Stay tuned.
Hey there, friends. It's Chef Mike. And today we're diving into the world of red foods. And trust me, they're not just delicious. They're packed with amazing health benefits. You've probably heard of tomatoes, right? Well, they're bursting with lycopene, a super antioxidant that not only fights heart disease, but also protects your cells from damage. How cool is that? And let's not forget about strawberries. Who doesn't love a juicy bite? These sweet treats are loaded with vitamin C, which is fantastic for boosting your immune system and keeping your skin glowing. Speaking of glowing, have you ever tried red bell peppers? They have more vitamin C than an orange. Yup, you heard that right. This helps keep your immune system strong and your energy levels up. And finally, watermelon. Not only does it quench your thirst on a hot day, but it's packed with vitamins A and C to keep you hydrated and healthy. Now, here's a fun question for you. What's your favorite red food? Is it a slice of juicy watermelon, a handful of strawberries, or maybe something else? Drop your answer in the comments. I can't wait to hear what you love. All right, let's pass it over to Jessica, who's going to share all the goodness of orange foods.
All right, let's add a splash of sunshine to our plates with some vibrant orange foods. These beauties are loaded with amazing nutrients like beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A in your body. This vitamin is a superhero for your eyes, skin, and immune system. How cool is that? Take carrots, for example. Not only do they taste sweet and crunchy, but eating them regularly can actually help your vision, especially in low light. Now, who doesn't want better night vision? But wait. There's more. Sweet potatoes are another orange powerhouse. Packed with fiber to keep things moving in your tummy, they also give you a healthy dose of vitamin A to keep your skin glowing. And of course, we can't forget about oranges. These juicy, tangy fruits are bursting with vitamin C to keep your immune system strong and your skin feeling fresh. Oh, and mangoes. Who doesn't love a good mango? They're sweet, juicy, and packed with vitamins A and C, making them perfect for a glowing skin boost and immune system support. So tell me, what's your favorite orange food? Do you crave the citrusy punch of an orange? Or are you all about those creamy sweet potatoes? Drop a comment and let me know. And hey, don't go anywhere. Chef Mike is coming up next to share all the juicy details about the power of yellow foods.
Let's dive into the bright and cheerful world of yellow foods. These golden beauties aren't just a feast for your eyes. They're packed with amazing nutrients that are great for your body. First up, bananas. These potassium-packed wonders are a must-have for healthy muscles and nerves. Plus, they're the perfect energy boost to kickstart your day or fuel your workout. Who doesn't love a bite of sweet, juicy pineapple? Not only is it delicious, but it's bursting with vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that helps with digestion and can even reduce inflammation. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about corn. It's not just fun to eat, it's also loaded with fiber to keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. And don't forget those vibrant yellow bell peppers. They're a vitamin C powerhouse, packing even more than an orange. They'll help strengthen your immune system and protect your cells. So, what's your go-to yellow food? A ripe banana, some sweet pineapple, Or maybe that golden corn on the cob? Drop your favorite in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're munching on. And now, stay tuned as Jessica takes us through the magic of green foods.
All right, let's get into one of the healthiest groups of foods: green foods. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients like iron and vitamins that do wonders for our health. Have you ever tried spinach? It's a superfood for your blood, thanks to its iron content, and it's also packed with vitamin K, which helps keep our bones nice and strong. And then there's broccoli. Did you know it's loaded with vitamin C, which helps your body fight off colds, and calcium, which keeps your bones tough? Now, who doesn't love avocados? These green beauties are full of healthy fats that support your heart and brain. Plus, they've got fiber to help your digestion. Oh, and don't forget about cucumbers. Not only do they keep you hydrated, but they're full of vitamins that help your skin glow. So, what about you? What's your favorite green food? Is it that creamy, dreamy avocado, or maybe the refreshing crunch of cucumber? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to know. And stay tuned, because Mike is about to take us on a journey through the delicious world of blue and purple foods.
All right, let's dive into the amazing world of blue and purple foods. These vibrant beauties aren't just pretty to look at. They're packed with powerful antioxidants that help protect our bodies and even boost brain health. Take blueberries, for example. They're loaded with flavonoids, which are awesome for memory and brain function. Can you imagine what it would be like to have a brain that's sharp as a tack? That's what blueberries can do for you. Plus, they're not just for your brain. They help reduce inflammation and keep your cells safe and sound. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about purple grapes. These little gems contain resveratrol, a superhero antioxidant that protects your heart and keeps those blood vessels in tip-top shape. How awesome is that? And don't forget about eggplant. It's packed with fiber, which is amazing for digestion, and it's loaded with essential vitamins. So, tell me, what's your favorite blue or purple food? Do you crave the sweetness of grapes or the tart zing of blueberries? Drop a comment and let me know. Next, let's chat about how you can sneak these colorful foods into your meals and make your diet even healthier. Ready to get creative with your plate?
Wow, what a colorful adventure we've had today! From vibrant red foods that give our hearts that extra boost, to those cool blue and purple foods that keep our brains sharp and our bodies strong. Eating a rainbow is not only fun, but it's also a fantastic way to stay healthy. We've learned all about how each color packs its own special benefits, helping us feel our best every day. But wait, don't let the fun stop here. Want a quick, handy reminder of everything we've covered today? Head over to our Etsy store. We've got customizable, printable food charts that make eating the rainbow even easier. Stick one on your fridge, in your kitchen, or anywhere you'll see it daily to keep the inspiration flowing. And hey, do you have a favorite rainbow-colored food? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun, colorful content. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today. Keep eating that rainbow, and we'll see you next time.